Dear students, now we will solve the exercise 2 star of sets 1. You can see the page number 90 in your textbook. There is exercise 2 star. The first question is, universal set is here, all positive integers less than 12. You know the positive integers, all positive integers, so we should write here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. That's it. So these are the positive integers. You might have gone through the natural numbers, the whole numbers, the integers, those numbers which can be written on the number line. For example, we have like this number line. There we are writing 0. On the right side we are writing positive numbers 1 2 3 and so on, and on the left side we are writing negative numbers, that's -1, -2, -3. These all are the integers. Here the universal set is all positive integers less than 12. So what you will understand from here, so we should start from 1 but till 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 till 11. This is our universal set. Now set A is given 2 4 6 8 10, and set B is 4 5 6 7 8. Here we would like to see the intersection of the sets first. The elements which are present in both set A and set B. Roughly we will do that so that it will become easy for us to understand the question. I will write A intersection B. That means those elements which are present in A and B. Here is 2. I will check in the set B. No, 2 is not there. 4 is here. Yes, 4 is also in set B. So I can write 4. 6 is here. Here is also the 6. So I can write here the 6. Now 8 is here. No, yes, 8 is also here. So I can write here the 8. 10 is here and 10 is not here. So only 3 elements are common. That means in set A and set B we have common elements 3, that is 4 6 and 8. This is called the intersection of set A and set B. Now see the first question, the first part of the question 1. Show this information on a Venn diagram. So first what we will do, we will draw a rectangle. This rectangle represents our universal set. What is our universal set? That is all positive integers. So this is represented by this symbol. Then we have the intersection. So I will make a circle and will make another circle so that there should be a portion common out of these two circles. This is A, this is B. First I will write here the intersection. Those elements which are in set A and set B, that is 4 6 and 8. This is the intersection. Now in set A I should write all elements of the set A excluding 4 6 8. 4 6 8. Excluding these there is 2 and 10. And also from the set B excluding 4 6 8 there is 5 and 7. And now in the set A all elements are written there, that is 2 4 6 8 10. In the set B all elements are written, that's 4 5 4 5 6 7 8. Now here in universal set, which elements I am going to write? You can see we have universal set 1 to 11, and from 1 to 11 I need to check which elements are also already written in set A and set B. Those elements I will not write. I will write only those elements which are not in the set A and set B. First see, 1 is here, I will check here. No, 1 is not written, so I can write here the 1. 2 is here, 2 is written. 3 I can write, anywhere you can write in this portion. 3, no, 3 is not there, so I will write here 3. 4 is there, 5 is 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there, 9 is not there, I can write the 9. 10 is there and 11 is not there, I can write the 11. This is the answer of first part. Now B, list A intersection B. A intersection B, that we did, that is simply those elements which are in set A and as well as in set B, that is 4, 6 and 8, and find order of A, order of intersection of A and B, that is how many elements are there present in A intersection B, that is 3. So 3 elements are present. Now C part, does A C part is, does A intersection B is equal to B intersection A, that means like here I will explain. A intersection B is 4, 6, 8, 4, 6 and 8, and B intersection A is also 4, 6 and 8, so we can say yes, A intersection B is equal to B intersection A, that is it. Now see the D part. D is list the complement of intersection of A and B. Complement of the intersection A and B. Now you can see I have to write A intersection B, its complement. That means those elements I should write which are not in this set A intersection B. In A intersection B there is 4, 6 and 8. Remaining all the elements I need to write. What is that? That is 1, 2, orderly I will write 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. Sorry, 10 is also there. 10, then 11. This 10 is also there, I should write here. Now you can see the E. Is A intersection B a subset of A? You can see A intersection B, what is that? Understand this. A intersection B, we know it is 4, 6 and 8. Is this a subset of A? This notation is a subset, is a subset of A. What does that mean? We need to check, is every element of intersection of AB, that is 4, 6 and 8, also in the element of A? Yes, that is right. If you can check 4, 6 and 8, these elements are also in the set A, so we can say yes, A intersection B is a subset of, is a subset of A. That is the question number 1. Now we have in the third exercise, that is union of sets. What is union of sets? For example, I have the set A. In this set I have 1, 2, 3, and another set B. Here I have 4, 5, 6. This is set A. In set A I have how many elements? 3. 1, 2, 3. In set B I have elements 4, 5, 6. What is the union of A and B? A, this is the symbol to write the union. A union B is equal to all the elements of A and B. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is simply the union? All the elements of the A and B. That is the A union B. That's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. This will form another set. This is called A union B. Now for example, if I have the set A, in this set A I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and here I have set B. In this set B I have 2, 4, 5, 6. Now here what is A union B? We know from this above example, we know A union B is all the elements of A and B. So I can write 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. First I will write the elements of A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Afterwards I will write the elements of B. But here once again you can see 2, 4 is here. But 2, 4 is already written in this. We don't need to repeat the same number. So these 2, 4 I will not write once again. I will write simply 5, 6. This is the union of the A union of these two sets. That's A union B. Here we should understand we should never repeat the same number. For example, if I have a number like 4, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. I have to write these numbers in a set. I can write 1, 4, 6. I cannot repeat 4 and 6, 4 and 1. So in a set, when we write the elements of a set, we should not repeat the number. If there is no, we cannot repeat. That is against the rules. Now we will solve the exercise 3. It is page number 91 on the textbook. The first question is question number 1. Universal set is all positive integers less than 10. That is, we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is the universal set. And set A has elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And set B has the elements 3, 4, 5, 6. First part of the question is show this information on a Venn diagram. So what we will do, first we will see A intersection B so that it will become easy. 3 is here, common elements. 3 is here, so we should write here the 3. 5 is here, 5 is here, so we should write 3. So 3 and 5 are the two elements which are common, which are both in set A and B. So we can say A intersection B is 3 and 5. Now we can draw the Venn diagram like this for A part. This is the universal set. Now here there is the intersection. I will draw the two circles representing set A and set B. Here this is the intersection part. We have here two elements, that is 3 and 5. Now in set A I will write all the elements. 1, 3 is also here, already written here. 5 is here, so I will write 1, 7, 9. And here 3 is in set B. 3 is already written here, and I will write here 4, and 5 is already written here, then I will write 6. Now I will have to write in this portion the universal set. First I will check with this. 1 is here, 1 is already here, and 2 is not there, so I will write 2 from this set. 2 is here, it is not written 2, so I will write here the 2. 3 is there, yes. 4 is there, 5 is there, you can see 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is not there, and 9 is there. So this is the Venn diagram for this information. Now B. What is B? List A union B. A union B, that means all the elements in A and B. So I will write first the elements of A, that's 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then I will start with writing elements of B. Elements of B, here first it is 3, but 3 is already written. We don't need to write the 3 once again. If I will write here 3, it makes it wrong. So I should write here the 4, and 5 is already written there, so I will not write the 5, then I will write the 6. This is the A union B. Or even I can also write it in order. First smallest number 1, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. This is A union B. Now the second part of the question is find order of A union B. That means how many elements are in A and B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. That is the answer. Answer is 7. Does A union B is equal to B union A? Yes. See, A union B is equal to B union A. We should write answer yes. Next is list A union B complement. Complement of A union B. It is D. A union B complement of A union B. That is, from universal set we should write those elements which are not in A union B. See, 1 is there, so we cannot write the 1. 2 is not there, so we can write 2. 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is not there, so we can write 2 and 8. 2 and 8 is the complement of A union B. Once again I will explain it. What is complement of A union B? It means we should write those elements from the universal set which are not present in A union B. Only 2 and 8 are the elements which are not present in A union B. So this set will be the complement of A union B. Now last part is A union B a subset of A? We should check here. Is A union B? Check all elements. If all the elements of A union B are also the elements of A, then A union B is a subset of A. You can check 1, 3, 4 is there, 4 is not there, so no. It's no. I can write the reason also, because in question it has not asked the reason. I can write because 4 belongs to A union B, but 4 does not belong to A. That means 4 is a member in A union B, but it is not here. So we can say for a subset, for A union B to be a subset, every element of A union B should be present in the set A. So 4 is here present, but here it is not present, so I have written here the answer. Now the question number 2. Universal set is the letters of the alphabet. That means A, B, C, D till Z. And V is the set of vowels. And A is the set which is having elements A, B, C, D, E. What we need to show this information on a Venn diagram. First we will see the V intersection A, those elements which are present in V and in A. We can write V is equal to, we know the vowels A, E, I, O, U. Those elements which are present in both the sets V and A. A is present in both the sets, that's A. B is not, this is C. C is not, E, and A and E are the two elements which are present in both the sets. So this is the intersection. Now we will draw here the Venn diagram. You can see here, I will draw the two circles. This represents V, this represents A. Here two common elements are A and E, and what are the remaining? I, O, U in V, and here what are remaining? B, C, D. And this is what this is the universal set. We have to write all English alphabets here in this universal set. A is written, B is written, C, D, E. F is not written, G, H, I is written, J, K, L, M, and O is written, P, Q, R, S, T, U is written, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is a Venn diagram. Okay, this is part A. Solution of the part A. Now list V intersection U. That's also we did. V intersection A. those elements which are in EV and U, that is AE. C. Describe V dash, that is complement of V, that is all the English alphabets excluding vowels, that is consonants, is the answer. And D is write V union A. So all elements which are present in V and A, that is, I will start here A, E, I, O, U. Then in set B, A is already written, then I will write B, C and D. E is already written. This is the union of V and A. You can see the question number 4, it is n of A is 15, n of B is 10, n of A intersection B is 4, find n of A union B. We have a formula for this. Order of A union B is equal to order of n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. You should remember this formula. N of A is given, what is there? It is 15, plus what is n of B? It is 10, minus what is n of A intersection B? That is 4. See here, first we should do here the addition, that is 25 minus 4, which is equal to 21. This is the answer. So we have this formula. Remember this formula. N of A union B is called n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. This is the formula. If we know the 3 values, we can find the third values. Answer is still here. In exercise 3 star, we have a question like this. Question number 3. Exercise 3 star, question number 3. What is that? We need to find order of A intersection B. You can see here order of A union B. We will write first the formula. Order of A plus order of B minus order of A intersection B. What is there? Order of A union B is 20. Order of A is 10. This is 16. This we need to know. Order of A intersection B. So this is 20. This is 26 minus order of A intersection B. So how we will get the answer? And we can put it like it is X. For example, this is X. Suppose this is X. So we will transpose this 20 minus 26 is equal to minus X. So minus 6 is equal to minus X. Or we can say minus minus cancel. X is equal to 6. Therefore we can write order of A intersection B is equal to 6. This is the answer of the question. This question is from exercise 3 star, question number 3. This is very simple question.